Hello and welcome to a very brief video on how to load data, specifically CSV data, in R. This is for the Education 202 class from Zoopi. So you start off with the name of your data. In this case, I'm just going to call it D, but you can call it whatever you want. That little arrow is R language for we're about to assign a value to this variable named D. And then read.csv, open parentheses, file.choose, open close parentheses, close parentheses. Leave that there for a minute, hit enter. Alright, that pulls up just a standard box like you've seen numerous times in your life. Let's see if I can find where I store things. No, wrong stats folder. Alright. And in this case, we'll just go grab, say, steroids number 1. Open. Summary D. The reason I run the summary is to get an idea of whether or not I loaded my data correctly. I can alternatively just type D, and it will bring all of the data up for me to look at. So that's that. That tells you that you loaded it correctly. So again, name of data doesn't have to be D. I can call this, orc data if I want to go load orc data. Read.csv, open parentheses, file.choose, open close parentheses, close parentheses. And here's orc data. Open. So now D will load the weightlifting data I had before, whereas orc data, if I spell that correctly, will load the orc data. Just a quick note for computers, if you spell things wrong, it does not work. So be sure to spell things correctly, and capitalization matters. Here's a summary really quick. Alright, that's my example. Hope you enjoy. Cheers.